Things are interesting here. There's kind of a big mix of like Malaysia, Chinese, I see Indian, so I guess it's like kind of the same as Malaysia in some ways. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this right here is a Pahurad department store, and I'm going to show you these streets. So you have all kinds of stuff all around here. All kinds of stuff down here. And I see, it looks like a marketplace right through the middle, so things are interesting here. There's kind of a big mix of like Malaysia, Chinese, I see Indian, so I guess it's like kind of the same as Malaysia in some ways. So this is one giant marketplace in here. Huh. Okay. Chinese restaurant. Bags. Oh, your kind of typical shopping things. So, okay, let me just see. Okay, this is... I don't know. I was looking to see how I can get to Krabi tomorrow, so that looks like a possibility, but I think it might be better just to go back to the hotel because they can make sure it's all sorted out for me. Okay, so just kind of exploring around here. This is basically the extent of the town. Odeon Fashion Mall, okay. Buildings though. Yeah, this town definitely has a very Malaysia feel to it. Definitely. With a mix of Thai everywhere. In Asia, it's pretty common to see people selling underwear in the smog-soaked streets, which I always found it interesting because it's like, I don't know, I wouldn't want to buy underwear that's been in the streets with exhaust and people touching it and everything as they walk by. All right. Walking in the street, but earlier I was in the hotel and I was seeing a lot of people walking in the street sometimes, and I was wondering why. Now I understand. It is Sunday though, so it's hard to know if this would be here on the other days. Hello. City Park Hotel. I'm gonna go back to my hotel and I'm gonna see if I can book booked my taxi, my bus to Krabi tomorrow. I haven't been to the beach yet since I've been in Thailand, and it's kind of ridiculous because people come from all over the world to go to the beach. People still maybe that wasn't some. Huh. I think people still sold CDs and box sets. Everything's on YouTube, including this video will be. Alright, so I think I'm going to conclude right here. But at least you're getting a feel for hatyai anyway, so.